Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Vizio TV horizontal lines on screen. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now, if you're having problems with your Vizio TV here and you have those pesky horizontal lines, well, in this case, there are a few things that you do to basically solve this issue. So first is you want to do a simple power cycle here. So first is you want to go ahead and restart your TV here. So in this case, just not turning it off. You want to basically remove or unplug your TV because simply turning it off via your remote does not solve the problem itself. So again, you want to go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall outlet completely. So meaning you want to go to the back here. I know it's going to be hard. So go ahead and just unplug it and basically remove the power from your TV. Now, you want to wait for around like 60 seconds. And in this case, do not rush this one. Wait the whole duration here. And once the full minute or 60 seconds is up, you want to go ahead and basically plug it back in. So usually this will actually do a simple reset. It drains all the power from your TV and it should now work properly. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing that you could do here is to basically check your HDMI. So a lot of times here, the issue can come from the HDMI cable or port. And what do you do? So first is you want to check your HDMI cable connected on your TV. So in this case, you want to make sure it is actually securely plugged. So in this case, it's not wiggling and you don't see any metallic parts that is exposed here. But again, just make sure it's properly plugged in. Now, if you're using something like a Fire Stick or Roku, make sure those are plugged in firmly too. And if everything looks good, but the lines are still there, you can go ahead and try using a different HDMI port. So for example, if you're using HDMI 1, you might want to switch over to HDMI 2 and set your settings to HDMI 2 to view your Fire Stick or whatever you have it connected here. So in this case, if everything looks good here, this case, you could go ahead and start using your TV again or your Vizio TV. And in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.